guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, accommodation, landmark, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, some nearby attractions and landmark also.
You can find lots of reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address some of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category A.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
Details in description. If you are